Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. So we're around May the 12th, and I made a purchase about a week ago at the most, and I don't know what you guys think, so hopefully y'all can help me out, tell me if I got screwed or if it's a Craigslist buy or if it's awesome. But anyways, I had 2,000 bucks in my pocket and decided to pick this up, so let me go ahead and show you. All right guys, well, let's walk. And what did I buy for 2,000 bucks? Bought this. It's a 2012 3500. Should have about 130,000 miles. It does have surface rust. It was about 50 to 60 miles off of the Gulf of Mexico. So you got ding there. You know, it doesn't look too bad on the outside. The toolbox, it's gonna go off, and I'm gonna put a flatbed on there. I brought my saw, but there's a 1/2 inch steel there on the bottom, or 3/4. Yeah, it is about 1/2 inch, so it's 3/4 on the bottom. But all this rusted shit's coming off, and that's what it looks like. This vise might be salvageable. I don't know. This toolbox doesn't lock up, and remember guys, 2,000 bucks. What did I get myself into? So this right here is for the light, the information for the cluster and the lights. This is 40 bucks. I already got that ordered. The little lid here goes on the side. I believe it's gray or black, I don't know. But I have a mess in here. I drove about 200 miles. Got the battery disconnected right now. And like I said, I got more mess back here. I got tools, tool bags, cardboard. And all this will clean up. Go ahead and take all the panels off, pressure wash them, put soap on them. Let me zoom out here. And this is where all the little rocks hit from the tire sticking out. But that's what I got. It's 3,500, 2012. Like I said, I'll go another little half round here. And what do you guys think? Was it worth 2 grand? Did I get shafted? You know, the lights, I might be able to buff those out a little bit. And put a little piece of elbow grease here. As y'all can see, the grill will clean up. See, real nice. So maybe the truck ain't that bad. It has a 6.0 in there, automatic transmission, and got some little lights up there. I'm gonna yank those off. And you can kind of see all the wiring going on that other opposite end. Yank all that off. So all this crap will clean up. If not, I can get the new panels if I want, but it's a ranch truck. It's gonna have a flatbed on it. Ooh, the manual. Let's see what this is. Light. So somebody doing drugs here. What is this, for the H2S or something? The dew level. Who knows? But anyways, this truck does need some cleaning in here. It doesn't have carpet. It has this plastic material there, so I'll pressure wash it and should clean up good. Got my jack there. I got more trash. I had a busted belt on the way back, so I ended up putting a belt and tensioner, about 3-4 gallons of coolant. But that's what I got. So I'll put this little light back here, and these are just some real beat up seat covers. This seat looks pretty good. The other one's a little bit dirty. And once again, I'll pressure wash it on the highest setting of 5,000 psi, so that it's bare metal. So yeah, what do you guys think? Does it look cool or not? So one of my other projects coming up will be a flatbed, and hope this video's not too long, but I'm a little bit confused if I should be excited or worried, but that's what I got. So next video is going to show you like the 5 or 6 things that I already found that I need to get repaired, and one of them's a tire. Another thing will be the lights. So once I chop all this off, I'll continue. So there's a battery, got to return. That's 18 bucks for the core or something like that. Here's a tensioner that got stuck on me. So I guess the bearing got shot on that. Then I got some coolant here. I got some brake fluid there. More coolant over there. This cover was causing some issues, so I had to take that off. There's the belt. And I don't know what else to show you. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I got some vice grips right there in the middle of the screen. Got a leak on one of my brake lines. So, alright guys, well, let me know what y'all think, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.